Promoting your business with meta ads is expensive by itself. Now imagine a new lead comes in your business and your employees miss out on that lead. Now you're already spending a lot on your ads. At that point, you're missing out on your lead as well. This sounds very costly. You are losing your leads, you are paying more. It's a very time consuming, very stressful part. What if I tell you now? Your leads using meta ads can automatically logged in inside your Google Sheets. Yes, this is possible. If you don't believe me, let me show you. So this is my lead gen form with the help of which my lead submits their details. My favorite cuisine is Italian cuisine. So I'm going to continue from here. My name is dummy account. So I'm going to enter my name. For my email address, I'll write it as dummy.account@pabblytudes.com, and for my phone number, I will enter a dummy phone number and then click on this continue button and submit the lead. As soon as I will do that, you can see the lead is generated and you can see there is no one on the sheet. Automatically, the leads record will be created in my Google Sheets. With the help of this trick, you will not miss out on any of your meta leads. You will get a systematic record and you can share this leads details towards your sales team as well. So now without wasting any time, in next 3 minutes, I will show you how you can create this connection without need of any technical coding and programming skills. So stay tuned till the end of this video. So now to create this automation, I'm using Pabbly Connect. If you want to start with Pabbly Connect, on a new tab, search for pabbly.com/connect. You will come to their landing page. To log in for the first time, sign up for free from here. You will receive 100 free tasks every single month to create such amazing automations. Test it out how Pabbly Connect is actually going to work. I'm already a user, so I've logged in inside my Pabbly Connect. Now this is the workflow that I've created that I will explain it to you. Now if you want the workflow that I'm using in this video, check out the free workflow link added in the description section below. Now my trigger is Instagram lead ads new lead instant. I want that as soon as using my Instagram lead ads, my meta ads, a new lead is generated, my trigger should capture the response of that. That is why I've selected this application and the event. To create the connection, go to connected option, add new connection, connect with Instagram lead ads button. Now as soon as you will do that, it will ask for the permission, for which click on this continue button. Now it is asking for the Facebook account permission. Why that? I will explain it to you. So this is my Instagram page in the name of Michelangelo. And this is my Facebook page in the name of Crave Culture. Now I have connected my Instagram page with this Facebook page. If you want to see that, in my Meta Ads Manager, you can see this Facebook page is connected with my Instagram page. So whenever the new Instagram lead will be generated, as these two applications are connected to each other, the response is going to be captured right here in the trigger, okay, of that lead. So my ads are run through this Facebook page, but it is my Instagram lead ads. You can see right over here is how my Instagram lead ads is going to look like. So whenever the Instagram lead will be generated, it will be captured through my Facebook page in the trigger. Okay, so that is why Facebook is asked for the connection. So make sure all your lead ad campaign generation and everything is completed, and then only you create this automation. Okay, now I am promoting my Instagram lead ads through the Facebook page in the name of Crave Culture. So I've selected that page from the drop down. I've selected the lead gen form with the help of which I'm collecting my leads data, and after that simply click on the save and send test request button after selecting the simple response format. It says waiting for webhook response. So in front of all of you, I will generate another test lead. My favorite cuisine is French cuisine. I'll select it. For the name, full name, my name is test account. So I'm going to select over here test account. My email address is test@pabblytudes.com and my phone number is this dummy phone number. Okay. Now after entering the details, I'm going to continue and generate this lead from here. As soon as now this lead is generated, you will see the response of this lead is going to be captured in my trigger. As soon as it is generated, within 5 to 10 seconds, you will see the response is going to be captured. I'll show you the response. You can see this is the response right here. French cuisine, test account, test@pabblytudes.com with the phone number. As now we have the leads details, let's add it inside our Google Sheets. Click on this connect option, add new connection, sign in with Google. Select the account with the help of which you've created your spreadsheet from here. And then it is asking for the access of the account, for which click on this allow button, as this is a safe process and the data is completely safe with Pabbly Connect. I have created a spreadsheet in the name of leads details, so I'm going to select that spreadsheet from here. Sheet is in the name of sheet 1. For the data of each field, these are the headers that I've created in my Google Sheet, so it is going to appear like this in Pabbly Connect. For the data of each field, I will map the data. Mapping is inserting data from the previous step. Add a / previous step will appear. In the step, I have received the full name and it is asking for the name of my lead. So I'll select the data from the previous response, which makes this data mapped and dynamic. Now, whenever a new lead is going to be generated for my meta ads, the trigger is going to capture the response of that. You will see automatically that new data will be updated in place of this mapped data. You don't have to do anything manually. After mapping all the details, click on the Save and Send Test Request button and you will receive a response like this. And in Google Sheets, you will see the same leads details is kept as a record. So this is how you connect your meta ads with Google Sheets in just 3 minutes. So if you have any questions or doubts, comment in the comment section below. I will reply to all your queries. This was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just this connection, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you want to know about the different plans that Pabbly Connect provides you, you can check out the link given over here. And if you have any queries related to it, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and thank you so much for watching.